Hello and welcome to our YouTube video. Intro. Intro is the most important of some second video which defines your channel. In a small appearance, hence intros are very important to our YouTube channel. Do you wanna make intros like this? So, in this video, I am going to tell you 8 ways how to make your YouTube intros free online. Number 1. Render forest. Number 2. Place it. Number 3. After Effects library, motion array. Number 4. Fiverr. Number 5. Animaker. Number 6. Light MV. Number 7. InVideo. Number 8. Panzo. If you want any specific tutorial on any of these softwares, comment down below. I'll make a specific video while teaching how to edit those intros and get them for free. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.